Hello students. Today we will deal with a lesson The Squirrel, which has been written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. So before going to the poem, let me ask you some questions. Have you ever seen the squirrel? Have you ever played with the squirrel? Or have you ever seen going around here and there? Okay, if you have not seen the squirrel, let me show you. Okay, this is called a squirrel. Okay, very nice. Okay, how it is looking? Nice, is standing. Okay, very good. Let us come to the poem now. He wore a question mark for a tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play, and if he ran around his tree, he went the other way. So, my dear students, let's see the first line. Okay, he wore a question mark for a tail. We can see that the shape of a squirrel's tail is like a question mark. Okay, here in the picture you can see the tail is looking like the question mark. That's why the poet is saying that he wore a question mark for a tail. Okay, let's come to the second line. An overcoat of grey. If we look into a squirrel's back, we can see stripes on it, and it seems like it is wearing a coat which is in grey color. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, in the picture you can see the squirrel, how it is looking. It is looking like it is wearing a coat. Okay, why it is looking like that? Because it has a stripes. Okay, it has a strips. Okay, which is looking like the coat, and the color of the squirrel is gray. Okay, that's why the poet is saying that an overcoat of gray. Okay, let's come to the third line. He sat up straight to eat a nut. Okay, he sat up straight to eat a nut. If you see, the squirrel always sits straight when it is eating, and it loves to eat the nuts. Okay, in your village, if you have been to the village in the jungle and all, you might have seen the squirrel sitting and eating. Okay, always whenever it eats, okay, it sits straight and then eats. Okay, if if you find somewhere nearby your house, just give something. Okay, give something, I mean give nuts to that. Okay, and see how it eats. Okay, that's why the poet is saying that he sat up straight to eat a nut. That means whenever he eats nuts and all, he sits straight and eats. Okay, let's go to the next line. He liked to tease and play. The squirrel is a very friendly animal. It sometimes teases us. If we try to go near, it acts like it is playing with us. So here the poet is saying that he liked to tease and play. That means the squirrel is a very friendly animal. Friendly animal means it doesn't get too much frightened. Okay, it tries to tease much. It tries to come nearby us, and then if you go too near to that squirrel, it will go away. Okay, it sometimes teases us. If we try to go near, it acts like it is playing with us. If you don't do anything, it will come to you. If you go near to that squirrel, it will go away from you. Okay, now that's why the poet says that it like to tease and play. Okay, that's why he's saying. Let's come to the next line. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. That means if we run to catch a squirrel, it is very difficult. It runs very fast and keeps on teasing us. That means, suppose if you find anywhere and if you try to catch it, you cannot catch, because catching is very difficult. It runs very fast and keeps on teasing us. It will go here and there, and it will be very difficult to catch it. Okay, So my dear students, the lesson is over. Okay, I hope you all have understood it. Thank you so much.